Right, fantastic morning. I'm Raston say dia good one some towels or say Benjamin Kensi 7 dots with a fata Southini. Kijo and Cassani, Eric Casiedo Buere, Walla, natural mineral water. We sponsors. I believe you can homa. Yet some no bro, Walla, natural mineral water. And Ra, which a ballon d'or, no, I Walla. One farmer no wala te wala natural mineral water. We sponsors golden herbal mixture, malaria and ne ho and kaibia no pacho a golden herbal mixture and a ye dear few I am team. And ne pamparupa down to me no and we have waterma herbal mixture. Ya ku anymore no meka one somebody at Shell. Say Jobano Bernard Paribo came producers a special centum and you feed the ballon d'or and Ra just before we anymore. The feel last week by was Vinicius Junior and Adom Biano. Yeah, that's sorry, Rodri and Penifo Bonabasso said the best player in the world according to France football. You know, so now Yanko and some Fofro Kokopimu Manchester United and also issue back where they can be told Jack Ransan Ballon d'Or no Basso. Now you want to beto just Eric Ten Hag and Penifo or Manchester United no. One more anyway, I'm not pipe more and no to say so my try be send me to 2014 for number 9, I'm not there and send Fata Manchester United and thing. They more born nice to say pay. We have pen almost say Ruud van Nistelrooy or no na war any successor in the interim. Obehachre because some benya a new coach no be take you over the reins of Manchester United. Now, yeah, kind of what someone names be and an enamel from Amogar, Southgate former English manager Javi Hernandez. Former Barcelona manager, and of course, other coaches, Bebrinana, Obudinina, Namon from Dia. Baroko Piemo, I was Sporting Lisbon, Robin Amorim, this particular coach, I know what sports arena pain. Na Liverpool, Jmanabeto, Nanidin and Nemoa, or Boitma Power Sporting. Or don't I have front runners this year? Did you have to say Manchester United, per some fan no by coach Eddie and more. Na sebe baso say maso na just a Sporting Lisbon egitum ese kwambia so no bibia da say and I said that say o ma jetum so mra me coach inform ansa na wako sanse on your contract e bane sa na say on team ne kasa na team no etiase ansa na wogya no ama omo akontika hye ne so sa enso efa emaye e ho onomo na sabre me no ka say me fidi ne de adwuma bo ne kakra ye ntwe homra ye ba ye beto aso esa wakwa ba afiye nto aso Manchester United are someone near and of course when new coach almost sharing some be pound yankom
Bobo Kono wamo say Sporting Lisbon omo coach and dia de Robin Amorim onna say omo ni di na chia sika botini 8.5 million pounds no omo tiato odi akoma Sporting Bobo Koi you know omo coach a okito omo no omo jani mu ena Man United obefa asiesie no Ten Hag aswo dinenti ena say empenifo woni kunsa Entempass no a wofa awemuhyɛn kopie ne krom Netherlands ntefiri ne akɔpem bosumi ye empenifo Man United ahwe kyerɛ sɛ ekwan bi a mo ne Robin Amorim ebewie na wafiri Portugal Sporting Bobo ko ni maba coach Man United ɛwɔ England no ɔmo fa so ɛnyɛ saa no mo yɛ ahwɛhan a Man City for anida form na Pep Guardiola ejo ɔmo hɔ a ɔno ni coach a ɔmo ni di n'akyi so ɔno ba bɛyɛ kutrene ɛde ama wo
Yenhwe sebefa emene krabia na bekre yemfi na nra match se course Athletic Club ne Mallorca game no se Encrophone e mapa Bilbao ekwawe want to me and Shebi ene Serie A officials se wo Cagliari ne Bologna Lecce ne Hellas Verona na AC Milan versus Napoli. That is a big game. AC Milan Napoli on any day. You better send us a game on Obesiako. Now yentwaso yemra efi ne mehedi yakoso president the Ghana Football Association, the Racketeers of Krekudo in somewhere to gas. Say, Pram Omodi Omani, SCSO, Yen Giddy no, Judy say, a swab and for so pa. They say, accommodation, Nipe Timmy, Edgmin Yusuf facility now, and order pa.
The FA will do whatever it takes to raise the standards of the facility we have here. And I think that what we have, even though it's not the finished article yet, gives all of us hope that our end vision will be realized. I mean, the accommodation is top notch, the environment is clean. Yes, we are committed towards making more investment in accommodation, which is going to start soon. You will see that we are constructing a new swimming pool, a multi-purpose court, and of course a gymnasium, all here. The whole idea is to make this place a place to be for not only talent identification, but also training of of people involved in the running and management of football in our country, whether administrators, whether coaches, whether referees, everybody feel at home coming here to learn and to share.
Right, and on the president of the Ghana Football Association, Racket Okreko de Tuja. You feel any concern from the Ghanaian Premier League over the weekend, also folks in FA, and my BBN Gold Stars, Bechini Channel, Eka Bakwa. One to me, Ante. BBN Gold Stars still unbeaten, on top of the table. With Joe Modin pa enye easy crab. Man for say bo Modin say, "Sana ma start the bia no my ready some Beji League no." Na some be person Beji someone you know. Coach Frimpong Manson I am head coach. Ninsamni.
Winning the league, no. It's too early to talk about winning the league. This is about the 9th week, and we are playing 34 games. So there's still a long way to go. So for me, rather how I'm thinking about my next game rather than thinking about the 34th game. We will continue to work hard to get the results. Now the results are coming, yes, and if we can maintain that performance, it means we still need to work harder. And it's the 9th week, so we still have a long way to go. So for me, I don't have to put pressure on myself at this time. It's too early to be thinking about that. No, I don't want to put pressure on myself.
Right, and on the coach of Gold Stars, so Rafin Poman, so the two week. Channel Swam say, while natural mineral water, me sponsors are making home here in some number while natural mineral water, and what time Chenya, GH Heba, one more the Mundra hold on so Jamain so say media catching the kind golden heba mixture, I know malaria there, a truly say, you know, now fish on what my about mixture, so I'm a man original nice to people, what my heba mixture, but your drugstore beer more at Tommy Bidroqua, also person Raby, Ray, Nebedia dances, and say, and no power, unya drew papa, and I said, Rooney Ho. It's no one man on a shading some patron, Calamon, way penny for dia, and I think so no. Momo, Enyam, and I say a pin for, and soon to me no more sign Raby. Tim Patricia and Sosa, FMI, Infonian copy once and from Nano Calf Awards, about to na Ghana place, you know, and then Mukama Pa, and Abdul Aziz, and official John and Chi. Club, and also yet to me nominated, our Calf Awards, that's a club of the year. And no, na Coach Karim Zitoa, where technical director, they dream self, he didn't someone to just and Yaje say, yeah, Boba, so what yes, I know, none team no, and Honey Airborne Bomb.
I felt very, very, very excited. Because when you look at the club, you look at what we've achieved within these 15 years, I think is something to talk about. So I'm very happy, at least I've got some members nominated. You being nominated is even, to me, nomination is even good. Even if you don't win, you are being nominated. Out of the whole lot in Africa, you've been nominated. Fantastic, fantastic. I'm very happy for the club and the players choosing.
John Entry and Aziz, were you expecting them to be in the?
Yes, when they were joint goal scorers, and then the way Aziz exhibited his skills and talent, that ended up him being with Barcelona, because Barcelona can't just take a player just like that. So I'm very happy for him. If done well, I think it will be also another source of what do you call it? For these boys also to motivate themselves to also reach at that height, because he started the year of in God to trust, still believe, and then ended up with Dreams FC, and today he's in Barcelona. I'm very proud of him.
Right, and then some Coach Karim Zito or the to a Jashan and Sumami say Chrome Pub Highlight Festival 2024, a Sound Masters Nick Chrome Pub Nede, the Highlight Festival 2024 year by 3 days back to back live band jam, and the theater 1st November at the Hard Dance Band, the only dance band in Ghana. I'm gonna AC move for Dana. Remember that the legendary Samuel Owusu so General 9 so at Nyoma Boy and Yom Pa on the 2nd of November. Now on the 3rd of November, a Shinkwan special in the morning, and no fufu tuza fi omotu okukunte, and the kaka hon na nyumre no a chwonumu special, and the girls and kwa just I know the DJs on rotation, Mark Tonto, Foster Cartoon, Alien Maro, and a victim, and a lighter winner, Badwam official hype woman, and an armor for Her Excellency. Pacho, open Chimobia for 0244 621-097 and 0558-639-702. Chrome Pub High Life Festival 2024. So na GH about the golden herbal mixture na fish no boatma herbal mixture. I came on opaya. Yeden samno at the bre war said Jomanocho. Bernard Paribo train me producer said wesi. Kejuana Kasani Eric Asidu body ya pomodi on samba twaso wi ade aka so aba. Koso ha bedwam.